Hello, today we will guide you through how to insert a logo to video in CapCut. To get started, open the CapCut app on your device. Make sure the app is fully loaded so you can access the editing workspace without interruption. If this is your first time using CapCut, take a brief moment to get familiar with the home screen, since this is where you'll begin every new editing project. Once CapCut is open, click on Create a Project. This will open a new workspace where you can start building your video. Creating a new project gives you a clean editing timeline and allows you to import the media you want to work with. If you already have several projects saved, be sure to select the option that starts a fresh one so you don't accidentally place your logo into an older edit. Next, drag your sample video into the timeline. The timeline is the main editing area where your video clips are arranged and adjusted. When you drag the video in, it becomes the base layer of your project. This is important because your logo will be added on top of this video, not in place of it. After placing the video in the timeline, it's a good idea to quickly check that the clip appears correctly and is positioned where you want it before moving on. Now drag your sample logo into the timeline and resize it. When you place the logo into the project, it should appear as an additional layer over your video. This allows the logo to sit on top of the footage like a watermark or brand mark. Once it's visible, resize it so it fits neatly within the frame. In most cases, a smaller logo works best because it stays visible without distracting from the main video content. As you resize, pay attention to placement as well. A corner of the video is often a practical choice since it keeps the logo present but unobtrusive. Try to avoid covering important visuals, captions, or key action in the video. If needed, adjust the logo until it looks balanced and professional on screen. And that's it. By opening CapCut, creating a new project, adding your video to the timeline, and then placing and resizing your logo, you can quickly add branding to your content in a simple and effective way. Follow these steps carefully, and your finished video will look polished and ready to share.